remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. What I have here is a tuna fillet, small, fresh cut, meaning wild caught. It's not from a farm. Farm one is fine too. Who cares, right? I have also some broccoli sprouts that I'm going to use for this. Tomato, got a lemon, some dry oregano, a little bit. Habaneros, I have about 3 or 4 to create the heat. And of course, I'm going to have some salt, black ground pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. And you're going to choose a bread of your choice. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of lemon. I'm going to squeeze it, both sides. Just a little bit, some few drops. Black pepper. Little bit of salt to your taste. And you're going to rub this baby. Just rub it up. Let's start creating the heat. So I have the habaneros. I cut them in half and took the seeds out. You can leave them, you want it hotter. So what you do, you add them there. That's simple. And you're going to put some of the oregano. You're going to kind of smash it, you know. Add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It's about maybe a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. And you're going to create some sort of paste. So I have a small cast iron. This is an antique. You can use anything. Doesn't matter. What I'm going to do here, I have it at medium high. Going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, but just enough to cover the surface area. It's kind of, I call it like shallow frying or shallow whatever you want to call it. And shallow cooking it. And simmering and doing what I need to do. So you add that little steak there, the tuna. Let's try 2 minutes to one side. And then we flip it and we see how longer it's going to take for the other one, okay? About 2 minutes later, going to flip it. I said I'm going to cook it for about maybe 90 seconds. And then I'm going to put it to rest, okay? So I decided to go with some ciabatta rolls. Once again, you can use any type of bread. I'm going to toast it using a cast iron here. You can do whatever you want. I just like it a little bit toasted, that's all. So I have my bread, a little bit toasted. If you want to add lettuce, which I didn't have originally, it's up to you. So let me add some, just to make you happy, right? You can put your tomato, if you wish to do so. Let me go with a couple. 1 tomato is sufficient, I went with a couple. Here's your tuna. You can put now some of your heat. Get it from here, put it on top. Get that baby rolling. Sprouts. Just put a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Just a little bit.